You've seen them online. AI avatars that look and talk like real people. These digital personalities are popping up everywhere, from social media feeds to business presentations, and they're changing the way we think about video content. CapCut, a popular video editing app, now lets you create these avatars with just a few taps. It's quickly becoming a go-to platform for anyone who wants to make engaging videos without complicated equipment. It's a tool for fast, easy content creation without needing a camera or microphone. You don't even need to worry about lighting or background noise. CapCut handles it all virtually. Just write a script, choose a digital character, and let the AI do the rest. The process is simple, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. The AI syncs lips and expressions to your words, making video production hassle-free. Your avatar will speak naturally, matching your script with realistic movements and emotions. Avatars come in various styles fitting any message vibe. Whether you want something professional, playful, or even futuristic, there's a look for every occasion. Whether for business or casual content, there's an avatar for you. This flexibility means you can tailor your message to any audience, from clients to friends. This feature democratizes video production, making it accessible to everyone. No matter your background or skill level, you can now create high-quality videos with ease. CapCut simplifies complex animation into a user-friendly experience. The interface is intuitive, so you can focus on your story instead of technical details. From idea to finished video in minutes, it's a game-changer for creators. You can experiment, iterate, and publish content faster than ever before. It's about empowering anyone with a story to tell. Now, your ideas can come to life visually, no matter your resources. The possibilities for creators, students, and businesses are endless. From school projects to marketing campaigns, CapCut opens up new creative opportunities. It's a powerful tool for anyone with a message to share. Instantly publish your videos to social media or send them directly to your audience. CapCut's AI avatars are a cool, innovative way to create content. They're not just a trend, they're shaping the future of digital storytelling. Ready to see what you can make? Let's dive into how you can start using them. Let's dive right in and discover how you can make your very first talking avatar in CapCut, even if you've never used the app before. Start by opening the CapCut app on your phone or desktop. It's available on both platforms, so you can choose whichever device you're most comfortable with. Once inside, look for the AI Tools section in the main menu and tap on the AI Avatar option to get started. Here you'll find a gallery filled with a variety of AI characters. Take your time to browse through the options and select the avatar that best fits your project or personal style. After you've made your choice, your selected avatar will appear on the screen alongside a text box where you can enter your script. The interface is clean, modern, and intuitive, with your digital presenter and script area front and center, making it easy to focus on your creative process. You can preview how your avatar looks and moves. For now, stick with the default settings, but remember you can always customize later. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main screen. Notice the avatar preview, the script input box, and the generate button that brings your creation to life. The simplicity of CapCut's design means you won't need a lengthy tutorial. The app guides you step by step, making the process smooth and stress-free. By now, you've found the AI avatar feature and picked your digital character, setting the stage for your video. With just a few clicks, you're only moments away from generating a finished video that looks polished and professional. The process is fast and efficient, making it perfect for anyone who wants to create content quickly, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator. CapCut's user-friendly approach ensures that anyone can jump in and start creating without feeling overwhelmed. With CapCut, advanced AI technology is now accessible to everyone, breaking down barriers and opening up new creative possibilities. You're now ready to create engaging, eye-catching content with just a few simple steps. This tool empowers you to bring your ideas to life quickly, letting your creativity shine without technical hurdles. CapCut is all about making video production simple, enjoyable, and accessible for everyone, no matter your experience level. Now, let's move on to the next step. Bringing your avatar to life by adding speech and personality to your video. You're well on your way to creating amazing, professional-looking videos that stand out and capture attention. Now let's make your avatar talk. Type or paste your script into the text box. Choose a voice from CapCut's AI-generated options. Listen for a tone that matches your video's mood. The right voice enhances your video's impact. Hit generate, and CapCut's AI creates your video. The AI syncs the avatar's mouth and expressions to your script. Preview the result to ensure it looks and sounds right. If needed, tweak the text, voice, or avatar. The process is flexible, allowing for easy adjustments. It's a seamless way to create engaging video content. CapCut's AI avatars make video production accessible. Let's explore customizing your avatar's look next. Customize your avatar's appearance for a unique touch. Adjust framing for close-ups or medium shots. Change the background using CapCut's stock media. Enhance your video's production value with interesting settings. Explore clothing and accessory options for some avatars. Align the avatar's look with your brand or topic. Use CapCut's main editor to add text, graphics, or stock clips. Combine elements for a dynamic, engaging video. The avatar is just one part of your creative project. CapCut offers tools for a polished, professional video. Now, let's see where you can use these avatars. Where can you use your talking avatar? The possibilities are vast and growing every day as technology evolves. These digital avatars are not just a trend, they're becoming a powerful tool for communication, creativity, and connection. Social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram are perfect for quick, engaging content. Avatars can help you stand out in a crowded feed, making your videos more memorable and fun to watch. Use avatars for business training videos, saving time and resources. They can deliver consistent messaging and make onboarding or internal communications more dynamic and accessible. Create marketing materials with avatars for a modern touch. They add a fresh, innovative feel to your brand, helping you connect with digital-first audiences. Educators can use avatars for instructional content, making learning engaging. Avatars can simplify complex topics and keep students interested, whether in the classroom or online. Students can create unique video presentations with avatars, showcasing their ideas in creative ways and building digital skills for the future. Personal projects benefit from avatars, especially for camera-shy creators. You can share your message confidently, without ever stepping in front of the camera yourself. Avatars can speak different languages, broadening your audience. This makes your content accessible to people around the world, breaking down language barriers. The potential for AI avatars is just beginning to be explored. As technology advances, new uses and creative possibilities are emerging all the time. They're a versatile tool for various content needs from entertainment to education, marketing, and beyond. Avatars offer a new way to communicate and express creativity, letting you experiment with styles and ideas that might not be possible otherwise. Let's discuss final touches like watermarks and accessibility next, so your avatar videos are polished and ready for any audience. The applications are broad and exciting, limited only by your imagination and the ever-expanding world of digital technology. Before exporting, add final touches to your video. Add a watermark to brand your content. Place it in a corner, adjusting font and opacity for a professional look. Subtitles are crucial for accessibility and engagement. Many watch videos with sound off. Subtitles ensure your message is clear. CapCut's auto caption feature generates subtitles quickly. Review and edit captions for accuracy. Customize subtitle appearance to match your video style. Subtitles show you care about inclusivity and audience experience. With watermark and subtitles, your video is polished and complete. These steps elevate your project to a professional level. You're ready to export and share your creation. Let's wrap up with a call to action for you to create. We've covered CapCut AI Avatars from creation to customization. The tool is user-friendly, requiring no tech expertise. The best way to understand its power is to try it yourself. Open CapCut, explore the AI avatar feature, and experiment. Don't aim for perfection, just have fun and learn. Create a video in minutes with your message. AI avatars empower you to be a creator on your terms. The potential is vast and we're just beginning to explore it. Add your watermark and subtitles for a complete video. This tool saves time and opens new creative avenues. Whether for fun, school, or business, AI avatars are invaluable. I'm excited to see what you'll create. Now it's your turn to bring your ideas to life.